Hello, ladies and gentlemen. I got a whole bunch of weird little Discord bugs. It's just a fiasco, a charcuterie board of random crap I found on Discord. So let's start off with the main one everyone asked me. How do I get fancy little folders on my Discord sidebar here? Well, you just double click really fast. It's really simple. Now you have nice folders. And the amount of speed I'm going at doesn't stop there because I move on to edited bug and boom, you can get a message that says this is an edited message and you can put this edited word anywhere. And to do that, you need to go to the first link in the description. Anyways, when we're on this Boot Scootin' Boogiein website, what we need to do is just think of a message that you want the word edited in. Non-edited message. Now, the word edited is where I want edited to be. If you just check in Discord, this is an edited message. And to do that, what we need to do is we just need to wrap edited in parentheses, because that's how this website works. And once you do that, you'll see this message looks a little weird, but we're just going to copy it. Then we're going to go back into Discord and just type any message. Ball sack. A sack where you store your soccer balls. And what you want to do is you want to edit this message and just paste in that thing we copied from the website, press enter, and kaboom. This is a completely normal non-edited message. My wife left me. All right, next up, we're going to pipe it up a little bit because we have a whole bunch of these weird little pipe things, and I'm going to explain a whole bunch of little goofy things you can do with it. So the first goofy thing we're going to do with this is just, it's plain and simple, right? What we're going to do is we're just going to copy this. Now, this will probably be in a pastebin link in the description, and this is how we get an invisible ghost ping. So what you could do is you could type in a random message like, wow, hello everyone, and then you can paste in this whole whack ton of text thing. Then we just want to actually ping at everyone. Now, it might take a space. You need to put a little space in there and make sure you actually ping everyone. And once you do that, press enter, and wow, hello everyone. But you notice it actually had an everyone ping. Now, these goofy shenanigans don't stop here. What we can do with this thing is we can actually just send in website embeds. So I can paste this thing in, and I could do youtube.com/no text to speech. Then I press enter, and what's going to happen is I get a blank message, and it has the embed of YouTube. Because if I actually copy the link that I just typed in and I paste it into Discord like a normal human being, you'll notice that, oh, it's the same embed. And this weird silliness doesn't stop there because I think this one you guys will like. Once again, copy this big chunk of garbage and we're going to type in a fake Discord invite link. So I'm going to do discord.gg/ I don't know, Minecraft or something so I can trick all the kiddos into thinking that I'm the real Minecraft server. Then I'm going to paste in this big chunk of text. One important thing is make sure there's no space between your invite link and these vertical pipes. Then once you do that, go to the very end of the text thing, put a space bar and type in discord.gg/ your real invite link. So mine's NTTS for my actual Discord server. Slam the enter key and look, discord.gg/Minecraft, and it invites you to no text to speech. Did I hack into Minecraft? Of course. Anyways, let's move on to a couple feature. This is the impossible Discord feat, and we're going to be talking about the Discord SEX hack. I'm not going to say it out loud because, of course, this is YouTube, and if I say anything along those lines, I'm going to get blasted off into infinity. This one, basically what you need to do is just send any GIF. So I like this monkey chewing something GIF. I have it favorited for some reason, but if you type in S/E/X and press enter, look what happens to your image. It gets replaced with Discord, that word hack. And in fact, if we do it again, because of course, Discord users, they don't have this, but if they pretend to do it twice, it gets even worse. Ultra double, oh my goodness, activated, how? And now this also works with one more, so I'm just going to delete this GIF real quick, send the monkey image again, and I'm going to do S/O/Gnome. Enter that in, and guess what? We get another thing that says you've been gnomed, I think. Is it going to load? There we go. Discord gnomed hack. Now, what is actually going on here? I'm going to explain it really poorly. However, if you want the actual developer of this bad boy to show you how it's done, there will be a link in the description, the Discord hack. However, that's a 6-minute video, and I know your guys' attention span is next to none because you watch TikTok all day, so I'm going to explain how it works. Basically, when you send a GIF link, it's actually a tenor link. If I click on edit, you'll notice it says tenor.com. What I'm going to do is I am just going to copy this URL so we can see it without an image. Then, if we send S/E/X, basically what's going on here is, why am I not in grandma mode? I need to zoom in a little bit more. The S means substitute. This is kind of like a command because with Discord, you can actually add reactions by just doing like plus and then you put in some heart emoji and kaboom, it automatically applies it. In this case, S is substitute. Then we put in a slash and we want to put in whatever we want to replace. So in this case, we are going to replace E from the tenor link, and we put another slash, and we're going to replace it with an X, and I press enter. And you'll notice that our link just got changed, and I'll have to edit the message. It got changed to txnor.com instead of it being tenor, and that's because we did s/e/x. And we can actually do this with any random message. It doesn't have to be a link. So I send a message saying, I love you. Oh, wow, that's sweet. And I'm going to replace it. So S for substitute slash, I'm going to replace you with committing financial fraud. And of course, I can never spell committing, and I can never spell committing tax fraud properly, but thankfully we have this video sponsor, Grammarly. No, I'm kidding. That was a poor attempt at a joke. I'm sorry. Oh my gosh. Editor, please don't put this in the video. No, please. I press enter, and I love committing financial fraud. The IRS, please do not contact me because the CRA is already after me. Now, what actually doesn't stop here, it goes a little bit deeper. What we're going to do is I'm going to send a tenor link, and I'm going to do the s/e/x command. Then I am going to do s/w/ag swag, press enter, and what will happen is we'll actually get a chess game. And finally, if I do the same thing again, so s/e/x on any tenor GIF, then I do s/w/ord and press enter, it'll open up a cute little RPG game where I'm fighting a snake. And to do attacks, all I need to do is just do s/d/d, and then I put in one of the commands, attack, defense, or hug. I'm going to do hug because that sounds cute. I hug the snake, and what happens? The snake, you challenge the snake to a COD 1v1. The snake attacks you for 4 damage. Anyways, I don't know what's going on here, but let's move on to the next bug, which is I am in your Windows. Who named this? And now for our next little meme, what I'm going to do is I am going to upload a GIF to Discord. Man, come on. All right, I'm just going to upload this dog image to Discord. Now, once this image gets uploaded, what I'm going to do is I'm going to right click and I'm going to copy the link of the image. Then I'm going to paste in the link. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to put a backward slash right after the HTTPS // So it should look like this, the weird backward slash. Then you want to just copy the link again and add 2 more of those backward slashes, and then copy the link one more time and add 3 more of those slashes. You press enter and kaboom, now you have a whole bunch of dog photos in one single message. Why does this work? I don't know, some code stuff. And of course, if you want to be a super duper cool kid, what you can do is you can actually combine this little pipe message that I showed before, paste in the pipe message, then copy in all these weird slash links, paste it in, press enter, and kaboom, now you send the images without any message. So it's a little bit cleaner instead of having to deal with all this kind of garbage. Now, next up, this is great for anyone that's making a meme page that doesn't want their meme stolen, aka every single degenerate on Instagram and Twitter. What you need to do to make an undownloadable video, by the way, this is how it looks. It's a video that plays. It's got bad to the bone. I'm going to pause the video so I don't get copyright striked, but you can't download it like normal. What you need to do is you need to go to the third link in the description, online text tools, and you need to upload a video to Discord or have a link to a video hosted on Discord. So once you have the video uploaded and you can see you can actually download it, what we want to do is we want to right click and just copy the link of the video, then go to this online text tools thing, link will be in the description, and paste in the URL on the left with text and enable escape all text characters. Then we need to remove HTTPS and the colons and the 2 slashes. So it just should be cdn.discordapp.com. When you have that, you want to copy this URL encoded text, go back into Discord. We need to type in https:// paste in that weird chunk of text and press enter. And you'll notice that it doesn't work. And that's because we need to actually run those weird substitute commands I showed you in the other weird bug if you're actually paying attention to the whole video. So type in S for substitute, then slash. We want to do %2 capital F //. So we're replacing %2f with a slash, press enter, and you'll notice that the video now works. If your video still doesn't work, then you might need to run the command s/%2e/. But if you press enter, it should 100% make your video work. And now you'll notice that this video, if I click play, I can't download it. There's no download button. Like before, there was a download button. Now, this is where we're going to combine 2 of those bugs into one. You know how this video had no weird funky URL? Well, that's because we need to go back to this pipe it up thing with all the Discord vertical bars, copy that massive chunk of text, go back to copy this meme, you cock. And all we need to do is just edit the message, paste in the weird chunk of bars at the very beginning, press enter, and kaboom, we now have a message that doesn't have a link. All right, so next up, we went from I stole money from my parents. Now we're moving on to for Fortnite skins category, and we're going to the Wow, I Am So Cool channel, where we're going to talk about profile customization, specifically with profile roles, which is just some weird little customization thing. Not really a bug, to be honest. I just threw it in this video because why not? For these profile roles, go to your profile, and what you want to do is you want to type the key above your tab button on your keyboard, so it's this little back tick, then put a space, then put an A or just any letter, then type in the role name that you want. So I'm going to do moderator because I'm just so edgy. Then put another space and put another backtick. Then what we want to do is we want to actually delete this A, and then we need to press the Windows key and the period key at the same time to open up an emoji picker. And what we want to do is we want to search for a circle. Then we can put in any one of these emojis, so a yellow circle, for example. And now you'll notice that I have about me and a fake moderator role. And to make this a little more professional, if you want to go for this weird look, then you can just make bolded text by just putting in 4 stars, and in between type in personal roles. And now it'll look like you have moderator as your personal role or whatever you want to put. And you can put in random text up here like I drink Drano. This video is not sponsored by Drano, by the way. And finally, we can spice it up a little bit more by adding actual slash commands into our profile. So to do that, you just need to do open bracket. Then you want to do slash, and I'm going to say consume the Drano. And you'll notice I have underscores because slash commands are a little weird. Then put in a colon and a 0 and a closed angled bracket. You'll notice consume the Drano is a slash command. So kaboom, you can have a fancy profile that says I drink Drano, consume the Drano in a slash command, and you have personal roles. Now I'm going to reset it because I'm not a Discord edgelord, and let's go on to the final, it's really not even a bug, it's more of an Easter egg at this point, the Gene Serpent section. Now if you go to discord.com/no text to speech or discord.com/me6istrash, or basically if you just go to any discord.com/whatever you put in, you will have a 404 page, and if you click on this little snake sign, guess what? You have Snake, and you can play Snake. And it's just Snake, okay? Nothing crazy, okay? Anyways, this game's hard or I'm really slow and old. Anyways, that's the short amount of Discord bugs, Easter eggs, glitches, whatever you want to call it. I'll title this video something that's somewhat coherent and clickbait, because that's YouTube for you. But hopefully you'll learn something, or at least had some sort of entertainment. Anyways, bye-bye, I love you.